Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add multiple locations in a single Facebook ad set in a single Facebook ad campaign. As you can see, I am into my ads manager and I am creating a new ad campaign, and here in this ad campaign we are at this ad set level, right? And in the ad set level you get a section of audience control where you can add location where you want to showcase your ad. So here, for example, I just want to showcase my ad in this city, so I have searched for it and I will click on this, and as you can see the city has been selected. Now I want to add another city, then I will simply search for the another city name and will select that city also, and apart from it I can search for another city again and I can add that city also. So now my ad will be displayed in all these three cities. So in this manner you can simply add multiple location in your Facebook ad set of a Facebook ad campaign. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.